You look up at the dark, and still you know it all. Every point of a light hanging in your palm. You never miss a spark, you never let one fall. Not one drifts away from the voice that called. If you know the sky, then you know me too. If you call the stars, you can call me through. Faithful in the night, steady as the dawn. Every hidden thing is already known. He counts each star by name. He counts each star by name. And still he calls me. Still he calls me by name. He counts each star by name. He counts each star by name. So I will not fear when you call me by name. When my heart feels small and my steps feel weak, I remember how you keep the galaxies. What is lost to me is hell before your face. If you name the heavens, you know every grace. If you know the sky, then you know me too. If you call the stars, you can call me through. Faithful in the night, steady as the dawn. Every hidden thing is already known. He counts each star by name. He counts each star by name. And still he calls me. Still he calls me by name. He counts each star by name. He counts each star by name. So I will not fear when you call me by name. Great is your wisdom, great is your care. Nothing made by you is ever forgotten there. If your hand can hold all that I cannot see, then your word can hold the hurt inside of me. He counts each star by name. He counts each star by name. And still he calls me. Still he calls me by name. He counts each